Anytime now. Oh, way they go. Jet Prop from the outside. Make me spaghetti down on the inside. Stone face Marcus Empire. Botsman's Bounty is racing in peep. Moving up by the route to Chinelli. Yes, we can. Coral Beauty Celestial. Down on the inside. Seniority. Entry number 10. And this one is Siglac. Third last, running second last Federal Court, and Dugus Pet for 8 is running in 13th. Jet Prop, Stone Face, Snake Me Spaghetti, Marcus Empire, down on the inside, Bodsman's Bounty, and Coral Beauty rushing up. Yes, we can. Celestial, Seniority also rushing up. Last 450 meters more to run. Jet Prop, Stone Face, and rushing up is Marcus Empire, Bodsman's Bounty, Seniority sneaking down on the inside. Entering the last 200 meters more to run. Jet Prop is still leading the pack, followed by Stone Face, and Seniority is on the outside. Entering the last 100 meters more to run. Jet Prop, Seniority rushing up, moves up, and finally Seniority. Jet Prop, Stone Face, Yes We Can for a Dugus Pet, and 5 Coral Beauty Celestial. I think for your Super Sais.